Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you students? I hope you all are fine. Today we will give a quick review to our chapter number 5, which is more on words. I know you all know this chapter very well. Just a quick overview we will take. Uh, First of all, girls, we will talk about on home page about clipboard. The first thing, clipboard. I hope you remember it that clipboard is we are using for copy paste if we want to copy and paste more than one word or the full segments, the sentences or whatever, but it is more than, when you are doing copy and paste or cutting and paste in one time, only one you can do it. But if a long document you have like this, a long document, or if it is on number of pages, so how you will copy from some words on page number 1 to page number 10, it will be difficult for you to again come on page number 1, copy these words and then paste them. So what you will do, for example, this computer virus word I want to copy. Okay, so in clipboard I will copy it. Okay, now the next word I want to copy, it came here, you can see. Now the next word I want to copy is wasting. Okay, wasting word I want to copy, I will copy it. Now wasting word also came here. Then service word I want to copy here. Different words you want to copy or cut, paste or copy paste, whatever you want to do. Now these words came here. Now I will go at the end of the document and here I want to paste. Okay, service word I want to paste here, wasting, computer virus where I want to paste, I will go on these places and not only one time, more than one time. Here I can do computer virus where I want, I will just click it and it will come on that place. So it was the clipboard. Okay, dear students, the next thing is how you can view in different formats your documents. So simply you have to go, in view tab. When you will go in view tab, you can see here different ways in which you can view your document. You can even zoom in and zoom out, how much you want to zoom in and zoom out. You can select from here. For example, I want 200, see how much it zooms. I want to make it again on 100%, so it will become like this. I'm closing this clipboard so you can view it nicely. Here, girls, we learned that there are read mode. Okay, in reading mode you can read, it will become like a book. Okay, now okay, now web layout, print layout, draft, outline, there are different ways. You can check it in your computer because here time is short. I will have to revise all the things. Zoom settings I also told you. After that, girls, we can even split it. We learn about why we have need to split it. Sometimes the document is very big. We have to compare two parts of the document with each other to check the data or anything. Sometimes this it is the requirement, so you can simply go and click. Now same document is split it in two. Now these are two documents. Here I want to open this paragraph and here the last one, and then I want to compare some data, so I can do it easily. Okay, in one document it will be very difficult. First check in one page number 1, then go in page number 10 and check, so it is difficult. So in these cases you can do this split one, and when you want to finish the split you can click on remove split. Okay, girls, now undo and redo, already you know about it. What is undo and what is redo? You can use Control Z for undo. You can use Control Y for redo. For example, here I deleted these words. Okay, now I want to undo it. I want to bring it back. So Control Z I will do and it will come back. Now I have to finish it, so I will do Control Y for redo. Okay, again remove it, redo it is. Now girls, the next thing is inserting date and time. For inserting date and time, you have to go in insert tab. Here girls, many things you can insert. We already learned these things. So like you can insert even header and footer, page number. Okay, these all things you can insert from here, and date and time also you can insert here. Where is the text group? Yeah, you can see date and time. This group name is text, and date and time you can insert which format you want to choose. Like this format I want to choose, I choose it and my date came here. Okay, you can see it. And like this you can insert header and footer. You already know about these things. Now guys, we will learn about symbols, how we can insert symbols. So in insert tab you can come in symbol and more symbols, some symbols which are not available on keyboard. So you can choose like the beta, theta and phi. These all things you can, different symbols you can choose from here. Okay girls, now word uh, counting, how many words are here. You can go in review tab, and here girls you can find that how many total words in your document. So here is proofing, this proofing group. Here you can find word count. When you will click on word count, the whole detail of the document will come here. How many pages are here? Only one page I have. How many words? How many characters without spaces? Here document didn't count the spaces, and here with spaces, how many total paragraphs, how many total lines. The full detail of your document will be given here in word count. After word count girls, again we will go on home page, and here you can see find, replace, select. I hope you remember these things, how to find and replace. If a long document it is using a word program, you want to change this word program with the software. So how you can do it, find it. Okay, which word you want to find? Program. First of all, we will find, do we have this word? All the list will come here, how many times programs are used here. Okay, now we want to replace it. So program word, with which word we want to replace it? With software. Okay, and we will replace all. If you want to replace just few, then you will choose replace, but I want to replace all. So done, all made. Okay, where it was software program, now it replaced with the software, computer software. Okay, first it was what? Computer program, now computer software. So it is the purpose of find and replace. Inserting symbols, I told you. Yes, inserting page breaks and sections. Again we will go in insert tab. Here you can see in pages group, I will close it. In pages group you will find page break. Okay, page break, when you will click here, sorry, instead of clicking I performed it. So dear students, what is the purpose of page break? uh, See, this is a page. I want this last paragraph, it should be on the next page. So I will bring my cursor here. Okay, and then simply in insert I will go on page break. You will see it moved, this last paragraph moved on next page. Okay, like this you can do these things. Okay, next thing is footnote and endnotes. You know what is footnote and endnote? Footnote is placed at the bottom of the page. Okay, there are 10 pages. So at the end of every page it will be. But endnote will be at the end of the document. If document is of 100 pages, so it will be on the last page. Okay, so it is called endnote. Footnote will be in the same page. Okay, so you have to come in references tab. Here you can find in footnotes, insert footnote, insert endnote. Okay, for example, here regarding viruses, okay, I want to add an endnote. It will take me where? At the end of the document. Okay, and what the number it gave? Number 1, and here also it is given. Okay, now here I can write like harmful. Okay, anything, any definition you can write here. Now we will check one. Now we will check one footnote. Okay, so majority. Okay, this one I want to insert footnote, so it will come here on the same page. You can see it didn't went on the last page, on the same page. Okay, number 1 it is it like mostly. Okay, any definition which you want to give here you can give. So this is actually page note and footnote and how to create it. Okay, many girls did this mistake in the project, so you have to practice these things. If still you have any question, you can ask me in discussion room. And we are about to finish our. Okay girls, you can change paper size, all the things you can change. You know how to change in page layout. You can perform all the things, sizes and all the things. Breaks also you can choose here. Section break, next page, continuous, even page, these all things you can choose from here also. In insert, here was just page break. Okay, which we learned. If you want section break, so all the things you can choose from the page layout in break section. Okay, here section break, next page, continuous, even page, odd page, which we already learned all the things. And I hope you remember these all things. And it is the end of our chapter. Previewing your document, when you are taking any printout, so you can preview how your document is looking like. Okay, so it will be the preview of your document, so you can see your document preview also. And I hope you understand. Still you have any question, you can ask me in discussion room. Thank you.